In this video, we'll see animation text, something like this. To create it, it's very simple to do. So if you just need to check here this 7 animation text this page, then you will get to see like this type of file, and you just need to start it from here. So first of all, we need to make the gradient color. So to make it, simply you just need to click on here with this fill color of this text design wireframe prototype, and click on here this pin icon and simply select the color. And secondly, just select the second color, copy the color code, come back again here this design wireframe, this one, and let's click on here this fill color and change this, like this linear gradient, or like let's say the gradient. Then as you can see, the first color is already selected, so I'm just going to click on the second one that on this right side and change here this color code that we recently copied. I'm talking about this one, and now let's change it to 0 to 100%. Now as you can see, we get to see something like this, and now we just need to do a little bit customization. So as you can see here, this point of this, so if you just drag and drop, then it's going to be changed into there. So let's customize it. How do you want? So I like to keep it something like this. So let's cross it, and let's again click on mouse right button and make it let's say frame. Simply click on here this frame selection, and now as you can see, it's a frame. So now we just need to do a little bit of work. So let's simply resize it to, let's say like this, like 70 or 80, and then click on here this clip content button. Then other will be gone, only will be there on the design text. Now if you see that it's already have a component that's name is component 2, and we make a different frame, it's frame 13. So I think this, since these both hover in the same place, so what you can do, we can simply drag this frame 13 into inside of this component 2, then it will be the same thing, right? So now what you need to do, we just need to click on component 2, and we need to just a little bit resize here. So I think this is something okay. So now what you need to do, we just need to make multiple version, just alter and make a 1 and make also another 1, and now double click on a design and just press shift and upper arrow. Then as you can see, it's now going to be minus. So now this wireframing is coming to here, and let's go to the next one, again shift and upper arrow and select here the prototype one. As you can see, now it's showing the prototype, and now we need to select all of them, make them as a component set, and go here the prototype, select the first one, simply drag into the next one, that means link to the first to the next one, and let's change the click into after delay and keep it 800 millisecond, keep to let's say smart animation and ease in ease out, and let's cross it and go to the next one. Simply select again here the middle one and link to the next one and make them let's say after delay, and yeah, everything will be the same. And let's go to the last one and simply connect with into the first one and make them let's say after delay, and let's click on here this component set and simply drag and drop the component 5 and simply click on here this desktop and click on here this preview option, and now as you can see, it really works fine. And one thing notice here that when it's going to like make the components or make the frame, make sure that you put a good name in there, because right now the component 5 it doesn't make any sense, or let's say frame 13 it's not make any sense. So make sure that you put here a name that anyone can see and they can understand it. So now to place it, it's very simple. Simply Control C or Control X, then come here in this place and double click and simply paste it. And as you can see, we can simply paste, and if you're just going to delete the first one, simply delete it. Then as you can see, we get exactly same as it is. And if you see here the preview, I hope that it's going to be work as like same as it is like before. So you can simply delete the first one, just press delete, then it will be delete.